It's me, Poppy. Welcome back to Spartan Kids. Today we will draw a donut. So, let's draw a donut and make it look very, very delicious. Take out your drawing book and colors and let's make something creative because it's coloring time. How to draw a donut. Step 1. Draw a big circle. Step 2. To depict a donut hole, draw a small circle inside the big circle. Step 3. Draw a flowing glaze with wavy lines. Step 4. Draw the decoration by making small thin ovals. Step 5. Finish off your donut drawing with some colors and make it very colorful. Thank you for watching our Spartan Kids videos. Catch you later with something even better!